My beautiful people, to the Dawn Kitchen. Guys, the Dawn is at it again. And what we will be doing, can you make a guess? It is passion fruit cake. Hopefully, you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you're new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe and to like this video. And to all my supporter, YouTuber, subscriber, follower, a very big, warm welcome to you all. Big up, big up, big up. Let's begin to rumble. 1 cup of G sugar or white sugar. 4 ounces of butter. And the butter have to be at room temperature. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 3 eggs. Half cup to 1 cup of milk. 3 passion fruit. 2 cup of flour. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. 1 teaspoon of almond. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I will be adding some raisin to this. Not too much. 1.33 ounces of raisin. And I'm adding a twist to this. It's the Magnum tonic wine. The Magnum tonic wine, like 1/4 cup. You're gonna need your mixing bowl, a sieve, and you need your baking tin. This is a 9-inch baking tin, and you're gonna grease it with some butter, and you're gonna line it with some grease paper or foil paper. And you will preheat the oven to 300 degrees. And I will be baking this cake for 30 to 40 minutes or until you put a toothpick in and it come out dry. In a bowl, you're gonna put the butter. And you want to add your sugar. And you're going to mix this until it's light and creamy. So look at this, you see it is light and creamy. And we're going to add our eggs, but you're going to add the egg 1 at a time. And we're going to cut the passion fruit. And it's looking like this, and you're going to scrape the pulp out. Let's remove the pulp. So when you remove the fruit out, the pulp, then you're going to show this out. So with the pulp, I just want to mix it around with a little of the Magnum. I'm gonna add the raisin in. Let me add a little more of Magnum. We're gonna add the milk in. This is half a cup of milk. And I'm gonna set this aside because we have to sieve our dry ingredient. You're gonna sieve the flour. So you sieve all your dry ingredient together. That's the baking powder and the flour. You see all these lumps, you don't want it in what you're baking, so it's always good to sieve. You're just gonna set this aside and come back over with your pre-mixture. And you're gonna add, this is the Magnum and the milk, the raisin and the passion fruit. And I'm gonna put a little salt in it. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And 1 teaspoon of almond. And we're gonna mix. Don't turn the mixer on too much, or everything will splash all over. And you're gonna add the flour in, a little at a time. We're gonna mix it up. And you just want to go in at a very low speed. And you just want to mix for approximately 1 minute or less. And now, beautiful people, this is texture you want to be having when you finish mixing. And now we're gonna pour this in the baking tin. This is a 9-inch baking tin I'm using. Beautiful people, you're watching this video today and you like my channel, please subscribe. Like this video, share this video with your friend, a friend of a friend, friend of a friend. Hit that notification bell so when D-Don is doing a video, you will be the first one to know. And give a big thumbs up. So now we're ready to pop this bad boy into the oven. So beautiful people, it is time to check in on our passion fruit cake. And it's 45 minutes. It's in the oven. I give it 5 minutes more because when I test it, it didn't bake. So how do you want to know that your cake is baked? You use a toothpick and you insert the toothpick in, and once it comes out dry, you know the cake is baked. You see, it dry. Or you touch, and when you touch, it spring back. You see, it spring back, you know that it is baked. So don't go away, stick around, we're gonna move on. And we wanna just let the cake cool down, and after it is cool, then we're gonna remove it. This cake is cool now, so I'm just gonna remove it from the baking tin. The parchment paper from around it. Passion fruit cake. And I'm gonna cut a slice and let you see how it's looking on the inside. So beautiful people, you're watching this video today and haven't yet subscribed. Please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. So when D Don is doing a video, you will be the first one to know. And I'm cutting a slice out so you can see the inside of this Georgia's cake. And now we cut our cake. I'm just gonna remove it out so you see. Beautiful people, looking at this, our passion fruit cake. Yeah, give it a try, my beautiful people. I know you will like it. So thank you for watching D Don Kitchen, and please take good care of yourself, and above all, please take care of each other. I thank you. One love, peace. See you on the next one. Bye for now.